Learned a lot about different ways of engaging with the community. Learned a few things about networking with other organizations and behind the scenes sort of information while meeting new people.
Probably a lot of stuff. I learned a lot about the reefs, lots of stuff that I hadn't learned before. And not just that, you look into event planning in a lot of detail.
I learned a lot about how to communicate effectively to the public. I think coming from a science background, it's interesting to learn all these kind of techniques into how to talk to different people. And also just meeting lots of really awesome people doing great things. And
I really wanted to be educated and try to do something in my hometown because I'm from Ecuador and I would like to do something and be the organizer of an event back in my country.
A lot of people are knowledgeable in this space, but not feeling like I have the tools to take the next step and get into the community and do things that are going to actually help protect the beautiful environment of Moreton Bay.
Collaborating with the Last Straw campaign, I think what they're doing is really, really amazing, and yeah, any opportunity and getting involved with that, I'm really excited about.
There's people with a lot of passion and a lot of knowledge coming at it from a lot of different angles. I think I really liked Jen's emphasis and the help of other people in Reef Check that they're going to support the process. You could tell you guys put a lot of effort into it and a lot of thought into how you're going to keep things running and keep actions making meaningful impact in the local area. So that was really cool and targeted, and I thought that was very meaningful.